Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the A840 grip strip. So this is a product that we've developed that essentially gets used in the replacement of a board on a deck where you're wanting incredibly high slip resistance. So that could be access ways such as near doorways, maybe on stair treads or on ramps. So what it is that it's a profile that we've developed. So you can see just here, you can see the shape of it, and it's got a 3M anti-slip strip on the top. Now here we go, I can show you how to install it. This is a really typical installation. So you basically just use your clips as you would to hold your decking board down, or you can screw and plug your boards obviously. I've got my grip strip here and I just push that in. As you can see, it takes a bit of pressure to get those in, and now I've got my clips on the other side there, and now I can just put my next board in. But you can see now it creates incredibly high slip resistance there. It's the same height as my decking board. It's a seamless finish. So it provides a perfect 1/4 inch gap, a 6mm gap that is, and that's the A840 grip strip. So in summary, you don't need to worry about how to calculate how many screws or brackets or components you need. The deck planner will calculate it for you.